Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Wasn't that intro sick? But guys, today I'm playing Cook Burgers. What the hell happened? What did you... Was that you? What the hell are you doing? This place is chaos. Bruh. Yeah, there's something wrong with these people. Just ignore that, I've only got 20% left, because that's quite a lot to me. Okay, well at least that's not messed up.
Shut the door!
And of course we're gonna put the microwave right there. Okay. Just give it a little bit of wetness. That's perfecto. Okay, now we can throw it in the bin.
Get in there!
Okay, you just need a little bit of dampening. Okay, perfecto. Now you can get on a bin.
Get in!
I don't even feel. Okay, I'm just gonna make some chips. What? Oh my gosh. Where are these chips? Why are there just chips on the floor? I guess I'll just use this. Okay. This just can feel a little far. I say get in. Oh, I didn't let go. I don't think that's gonna really be time. I guess I'll have to serve it to there. Sorry, buddy, but you're not gonna be getting it. You ain't got enough TM. Hey, I'm the top one. Well, 2 plus 9 equals 6. No, don't burn! Don't burn, please. Thank you. I forgot about that. Okay, who ordered some ugly fat French fries? Oh, you do. There you go. Why is there a bagman? Here's your hat, sir. Sir, here's your hat. Excuse me, sir, you need to take your hat. Okay, well, I guess no hat for you. Thank you for 250. Yes, it's so dirty. What happened? Like, bruh. You better get enough votes. Okay, beautiful. Okay, what happened? I swear I did not click that. Sir, seriously? Who keeps ordering buns? It's buns? No, it's not. I'm just gonna be annoying and do that. And he's very happy about that. I just want free money. All you need is one. Sorry if I'm being annoying, but it's a good thing. Okay, that's not a good thing. Sorry. Time to make it even more dirty. Now just take me away in this van and give me free candy. I'm waiting for you to go wake up. I'm waiting for you to go. Yeah. Come on, go back up. Maybe I should take this out. Yes! No! No! You forgot me! Huh? I saw someone. Okay. I'm gonna be a rat. Like, literally a rat. Because you forgot to eat your cereal. You know what? How dare you? I'm looking you up. You know what? Down the sewers. Going down the sewers. Stop! Come on, stay up. Did somebody say to slow on me? No.
I want to take.
You made me fly. Okay, you know what? You can just stay there. You're locked up in prison, my man. You deserved it because you didn't eat your pancakes. Time to become a rat. Yeah, that's what's name. Wait, is there any money here? Nope. Wait, there's always money. Yep. Perfect. No, you need to put $10 in. I got a 5% discount. This please, sir. Thank you. Hey, Johnny! I'm gonna eat you! Meh, meh, meh. I'll be annoying and take it. Oh my gosh. I just took his plate. Why is it forcing me to jump? Okay, you can go in that corner. Oh no!
How dare you?
I'm watching out for a cat next time. Okay, I'm not giving up. Sir, I want another Persian. Hey, where'd it go? Excuse me, don't you dare. Thought he was going to steal me. Thank you. Stop making me jump. Why do you keep making me jump? No, there's another cat here.
Gordon.
If another cat comes and kills me, I'm not going to be happy. Gonna borrow this, sir? That's okay, I'm just borrowing it. I'm just a little bit hungry. Just gonna borrow. How dare you? Again! How much money do I have? I guess I have to do it again. I can't believe I keep getting killed. You know what? I'm gonna kill a giraffe in sacrifice. But guys, even though it's not the end of the video, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to me. Please click that red button and make it grey. That would make my day. Oh, that rhymed. How dare you! Not burn a cat. This time I better not die. Imagine if I died 1 second later. Okay, please be open.
Oh my gosh!
I keep dying. That is so annoying. If I see, he's saving the customer. Okay. Don't let him out. Just gonna get my goods. Get my goods still there. Okay, I want to be a mouse again. Now, if a cat gets me, I'm gonna die. Oh, I forgot money. I swear I just saw someone having money. Oh, what if I don't want to? Ooh. Hey, could you pay this? Yeah, she's gonna pay for it. He gave me a free. Am I gonna pay for the rest? Yeah, I took the money. Come on. This hard work money. You know what? I'm just gonna not do it. If I didn't, I would feel bad for him. This is hard worked money. You know what? I'll give him extra $2. Buddy. There you go. Here's an extra $2. Oops. Be kind in life, guys. Don't act like how I was gonna do. Did someone steal your money? Did he steal your money? Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna be a mouse again. Or a rat. How much money do I have? I just want to check. Do I even have enough money here? I've got $25, I think. No, $20. No. Just 15 bucks. I want to be a mouse again. Now, if someone kills me again, I'm so not going to be happy. I wish you could have like an inventory in this game. Now, if I die again, I'm gonna oof the cat. Ah! Run! There's a cat! Run! Man, if that cat got me, I would be. No. I'm just gonna. If I die, I'm sure not gonna be happy. Hey, why don't we steal this? You just froze my friend, Bob. How now? Don't you dare pick me up, or else I'm gonna eat you.
I saw your fries.
I'm gonna got this one. Get trolled. Oh. You torturing him. I remember when you ate broccoli. My goal is to steal 2 more fries. I don't think there are any fries left. 1 more fry after this, without dying. Okay, 1 more. I'm really hoping that I can get 1 more. But there's no luck. Open! Please open! Please open. There's better be chips. Please be chips. No! Please, someone open! 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 You know I'm standing this box. If I can pick it up, can I pick it up? No! I'm too small! Mousy, I thought we were friends. Come on, I need 1 more fry! Someone please, I need 1 more fry. There's even fries. No! Ah! No! No! I'll drop it. Ow! No. Oh, no. Cheesy. I can't get through. But on my back. Yes, all the fries. Timmy! Open! Buddy, what happened to you? You're glitching. I think he's dead. Well, guys, we're just gonna steal 1 more thing. The bun. Stop making me jump! Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 200 subscribers, guys. Thank you for even getting me to 100 subscribers. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Bye!